Hi, I'm Janice Jaicks, the owner and founder of the Fitness Fest Conference and Expo and the creator of Aqua Progressions 1 and Aqua Progressions 2. I'm here to talk to you about cueing. What does that mean? It's so important to not just let your students know what's coming next, like 4, 3, 2, 1, but to use your words and your physical demonstrations to let your students know what you expect of them, exactly what you expect of them. And picture yourself in the back of the room or the back of the pool. This goes for any type of instructor, really, whether you're a land aerobics instructor or a water aerobics instructor. But picture yourself in the back of the room or the back of the pool, and you really can't see the instructor. What can you say? What can you say to get that student to do what you expect of them? And we also have to remember that everybody learns differently. So you may have to choose your words carefully more than once and differently. You may have to say it a few different ways and a few different times as well. Repetition. You will also have to physically demonstrate. So this is just so important, and one of my pet peeves, and I've got many, is that when instructor says, oh, doesn't really matter if your right leg's in front or your left, or oh, go your own pace. It is important. A really good instructor cues wisely, cues effectively, and looks around the pool, looks around the room, and makes sure what you are expecting of them is being done. And if it's not, you need to choose your words or choose your demonstration again, more wisely, and make sure it's executed correctly. For example, a decent cue on a rocking horse, let's say right knee up, left heel back. And I would have my back toward them. I would say flex your foot. You don't want just them flopping, you want them to flex. And if they don't understand what flexion means, and believe it or not, a lot of people do not, you're going to have to actually show them. Flex your foot because that will isolate the hamstring more. Knee up to the chest, show it, say it, flex that foot, contract the hamstring. So that is a good demonstration of a rocking horse. And then we're going to add the arms, figure 8, fingers together, like say all those little things, fingers together, long figure 8, shoulders back, lift the chest, and then maybe you'll repeat, flex that foot, contract that hamstring, lean forward to protect that back. I'm saying so many things on just one simple move, and I want to show it, I want to repeat it on the physical demonstration and on the verbal cues. That's it for our Aqua Fitness tip for today. There's lots more to come, so be sure to subscribe and check out our online course with KIPS.